Sanibonani guys. Ngicela ukuphendula nanku umbuzo engutholile. Babzungu, i-golden zone singacapitalize kanjani kuyona ukuze senze ama high probability trades noma ukuze sikwazi ukumaximize iprofit yethu ngokuthi singene kuphi ku golden zone. Guys, angithi niyazi ukuthi our main signal yini ukungena ekhandleleni elivala above i-moving average or below i-moving average. Angithi niyakhumbula lonto leyo. So lama ikhandlela elivala above i-moving average alisho ukuthi ngena same time, lisho ukuthi now i-direction sizolandela leli khandlela elivale above i-moving average, right? So into esifuna ukuyibona, sifuna ukubona imakethe ibuya iza kuphi, iza kwi-discount ukuze yenzeni, isinikeze now a sign ukuthi we taking the direction. Uyayibona lonto leyo. So elivale below i-moving average yethu nalo kumele sibone ikhandlela elizobuyela emumva laliqhamuka khona, lifike lisinikeze isign yokuthi hey, now nginikeza i-discount. Angithi sonke sayithanda i-Black Friday, and njengoba sithanda i-Black Friday kunama-discount. I-Black Friday why abantu beyithanda bevuke ekseni bame emalayinini is because ama-prices wakhona are so low and akwazi uku-expanda ini their buying power. Uyayibona lonto leyo. So when you look at Black Friday, ama-prices up to 70, up to 80, up to 30% discount. So same thing applies with the Forex. You must wait until you get a very good discount before you take that trade. Okay? Yes, you can trade your breakout. It's not a problem because the momentum is good. Uzoshesha ufike la uyakhona. But if you missed the breakout, wait, linda imakethe ibuye izokunikeza i-discount. Okay, so ngizonibonisa nge-daily time frame lento engizama ukuyikhumbula. But before ngingena kuma-chart, khumbula le video ayenzelwanga ukukunikeza i-financial advice, inhloso yayo ukukukhulisa ngokolwazi. So it's not for giving you a financial advice, but is to help you grow in terms of your understanding or for educational purposes. Uyabona lonto leyo. All right, asingene kuyona-ke. So nansi indaba enkulu, sifuna ikhandlela elivale above ini i-moving average yethu. So ikhandlela lokuqala ethabona la besine move, this down move nansi. So ikhandlela lokuqala yilona elibalekile, nayi ivale kuphi above i-moving average. Sesothatha iFibonacci yethu siyibeke la. Na iFibonacci yethu siyayibeka, siyambeka no 0, right? So yini siyibonayo la? Imakethe did trade above 100, then yabuya yeza yasinikeza i-discount. Yabo? Na likhandlela livale below 38.2%. So what is my expectation now? Imakethe ukuthi iqhubeke iye kuphi? Iye phansi, break below 0, but sibona na likhandlela livala above 38.2. That was a confirmation ukuthi imakethe yethu yenzani, isinikeza ini i-confirmation ukuthi now we can expect a bullish momentum to come. And emawuzobheka la makhandlela lawa ayi-2 siwabiza ngani? It's an inside bar. So there was a 50-50 chance the market could continue go down or could continue going up. Yabona lonto leyo. So sayibona imakethe ivala above 38.2, ikhandlela lethu leli nali yalivala above 61 point something percent. Yabona lonto leyo. So kahle after sivale u-38.2 labe sekulula ukuthi singakwazi ukungena siye phezulu sitargete ubani, take profit 1 okungu 100% or take profit 2 okubani okungu 161. In this case khona no take profit 3 okungu 241 or 261. Sibone ngani ukuthi la sesingakwazi ukungena? Khumbula ke now you need to use at least a time frame ezokunikeza amakhandlela a more than 20 uma uyiqhathanisa ne daily time frame. So mina I prefer i 1 hour time frame uma ngisebenzisa le ndlela ye discount. So ngiyongena kubani ku 1 hour time frame. Nathi 1 hour time frame yami. Sifuna just ukubheka lapha ya ku 38.2 ukuthi ikhona yini into esiqinisekisile ukuthi now it's time yokuthi sesingakwazi ukungena. All right. Siqhubeke ke sivule. Okay. So if you look at these guys, yabona la ngesikhathi siyaphansi, yes we did get the supply. I'm happy with that because besilindele vele imarket ukuthi ibuye ize phansi izosinikeza ini i-discount. Masifika lapha ya sathola 1 bottom, sathola the second bottom. Angithi yabo yini eyenzekile lapho? Sa trader saze sayoshaya ini sa create i-demand. Manje sesine demand kuphi above 38.2%. Beyibona lonto leyo. Then yabuya imarket isinikeza manje i-entry. Look at this candlestick. A very nice bullish engulfing candlestick closing above 61%. Asisabuzi. Malivula nje leli landelayo siyangena and we target bani 100% and we did hit 100%. Yabo? Because besisinani sine demand zone yethu emnandi. Yayibona lonto leyo. Okay. So even if ke bekuthiwa mhlawumbe usheshile wathi hayi ngiyayibona ngathi market yaphezulu bese uyangena la kuleli khandlela leli uthi buy kanti market izo reverse i-stop loss sakho sila below u0. So you still safe or sila below 38.2%, then you still safe, then you take your 100. Yabo? All right, let's go back to daily time frame. Ngizodelete lokho ebengikufakile. Let's go back to daily. Ngifuna ukwenza manje ngani ngekhandlela elinjani eli bearish. Ngifuna ukwenza ngekhandlela elinjani eli bearish. Okay? Which candlestick I can take? Okay, let me take this one. December 2024. Okay, November la. I still remember igold la beyisokolisa kakhulu. So na likhandlela elivale kuphi below ini moving average nanti. Angithi yalbo angithatheleli nje ngoba ile elingathi likhulu. So ngiyalithatha lekhandlela lami ngiyabeka u0 wami lana. Sifuna ukuthenga kuphi? Ukuthengisa at a discount, guys. So lana you can see ukuthi ngempela there was a mix. Bheka la. Hayi iyafika ku 100 siyaqala siya reverse. Sithola ikhandlela elivala above moving average or silithole la qala. Lavala above moving average leli la ikhansela, lavala above leli la khansela, then leli lavala above, then sayibona imarket ke manje ilandela. Ngithi yabona lonto leyo sashaya bani 100. So here there was lana nje bebenikeza mahala me thatha yabo ene yini esibonile ikhandlela lethu livale kuphi right by 38.2 yabo and the body was very big even though lingavalanga below the previous low yabo but lithe ukuyithinta kancane i-moving average yethu yabona lonto leyo. But the nice confirmation was this candlestick. Yabona le? This was a very nice confirmation. We traded below our moving average 1. And then we traded below our moving average 1. And then we closed below 61%. There was a very nice confirmation. Ukuthi vele sesingakwazi ukungena just after i-golden zone bese siyapi so targeta bani 100%. Of which is our take profit 1. Angithi yabona lonto leyo. So now let's go and check ukuthi kwenzakaleni la. Yini esitholile la? Because once sithola isign yokuthi now we can enter for a sell in a smaller time frame, then isokwazi ukuthi sithathe le discount. Yabo? Nayi 1 hour yami. Konje liphi? Display la. Where is that Fibonacci? No. Oh, okay. We're good December 2024. okay 9 yavela. Okay, iyangikwazi ukuthi ngilithole kahle ke lana because amakhandlela wamayashoda, but let's check 4 hours ukuthi khona bekukhonani ku 4 hours. Ish. Ngizomane ngenze nje just example guys. Yabona i4 hours demand is just above 38.2, but ku 1 hour time frame I know demand yethu bezoba kuphi below 38.2, and then bezoba below, bezoba below 38.2, and then isikwazi ukungena sohambe sothatha bani u100. So la ku 4 hours it's above 38.2, so it's not a good example. I don't like it. I don't like it. Ithi ngithatha 2 hours at least ngizokubonisa. Ngithatha 2 hours ngizokubonisa. Yes. Yabona ke manje 2 hours is closer to i1 hour yabo. It's very much close to i1 hour. So i-demand zone yethu iqale kuphi? Exactly ku 38.2. Yabo? Exactly ku 38.2. So besokwazi uthatha i-trade guys because sesibreakile above 38.2 and we know that we are going up. Then bese siyaqhubeka ne-market and target bani u100%. Yabo? Let me try and look for ikhandlela elizokwazi ukusinikeza a very nice confirmation. Uzokwazi ukuyibona lento engifuna ukubonisayo ukuthi why ngifuna i-time frame ezoba namakhandlela nyana ngathi maningi ningi. Okay, right. So in this move ubani lo July 2025 ungcono lo. Angithi yabona la daily time frame nali ikhandlela lami engizolithatha leli elivale below ini elivale below yisho. Yes, moving average. Okay, sharp. Ithi ngifake ke la ifib yami ivale below ifib yami, then so yini esibonayo ke la ethi ngizoome sichaze yini esibonayo lana guys. All right, sibonile imarket yethu lana isinikeza naye ke signal yethu lengithe iyona ebalekile, and then sawubona la market was consolidating, tried and push down ikunikeza these very nice rejection weeks yabo. Where is it? La angithi la kune fair value gap guys niyabo ne. So la kune fair value, so market was just reacting to this fair value gap yabo. But then yini esibonayo, every time sifika ku 38.2 still imarket ya reject ishona phansi. Nale khandlela leli la trader above 38.2 but la vala below 38.2. One confirmation, this market is preparing to go down. Right, ya trader below 50, ya trader below 61, ya vala below in this not these 5 candles, but ya vala below in a moving average. My vala below a moving average, guys. What happened after? What happened after? So ifikile yavala above 100% wethu yasivela nje iba ne gap because the momentum was very big. The sign was easy to see what this market is pushing down. Yavele nje yabo ikhandlela lethu lavula kancane la ngaku 100 ya push down ya show 161 ya show 241 yabona lonto leyo. So in a smaller time frame yini esiyitholile la inside the la kule party le ye golden zone. Angithi sibe sifuna ukuthenga ele discount yini esiyitholile nali ikhandlela lethu lisinikezile discount naleli lisinikezile discount nali. All right, sharp. Asiye ku 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame nangiya sambe siyobheka. Okay, na ifibonacci yami la. So guys, please, this concept of Black Friday, please do not forget it. Please do not forget it. It's very important. Okay, so remember guys, ikhandlela lethu belinjani, beli-red. So nangu 0 wethu, nangu bani u100 wethu, angithi yabo, nangu 0 wethu, nangu 100 wethu. So nawa la makhandlela afike ku 38.2%. Angithi yabo, nawa makhandlela wethu, especially le ngithe lifike la trader above 38.2. Na lifike la trader, and then sasithola ini a nice engulfing candlestick, I think. Yes. Sathola a very nice bearish candlestick, even though lingatradanga below the low, but it was a very nice bearish candlestick. Ivala kuphi below ini 38.2%. 38.2%. Then if we look here, we can see we had this one high. We failed to close above. Okay, it's Kalenjela. This high, we failed to close above, we went back. Ne? We came back, lapaya 102 all the way. Masfika ku 38.2, then we went back down again. Yabo? Sabuyela for the third time. Last thola in demand. Sabuyela for the third time. Masfika, say break 38.2, but failed to break above the high. Then Satola this very nice bearish candlestick with a huge momentum. And then this one closed below 50%. Already seen a confirmation. This one closed below 61%. After closing this 61%, then we know this market is gonna change and go down. There is no doubt about it. Siagupi, Siagu 100%. You can see here, I think this one was a Friday one, if I'm not mistaken. Then Yavala, and then kwaba ne gap, yabona this gap. Yavala market yehla. Yaza ushaya bani? Yayoshaya u161. Angithi yabona lonto le. So le khandlela leli li trade ile lasinikeza in a very nice supply. Just below the 100, because kwakune gap lana guys. Yasinikeza a very nice supply. Then yaqhubeka imakethe yehla njalo yaza yofika kubani ku 261. So if ubona izimo ezikanjena guys, ungaziyeki. Trust the strategy. Buy at a discount. Buy at a discount. Yes, imarket sometimes is a breaker above ama dota ready iqhubeka iye phezulu, you know the target. Sometimes is a breaker besiya retester, target your golden zone, ukwazi ukuthi uzitholele uthenge at a discount. So ngiyacabanga guys ukuthi nguphendulile lo mbuzo noma nginihlomisile ngolwazi. Uma ngabe kukhona okudingayo ukwazi, inamba yami sesekhona ku bio Bongani Zungu official 1, ku YouTube Bongani Zungu official 1, ku TikTok Bongani Zungu official 1, ku Facebook uyakwazi ukuthola imininingwane yami lapho, and then ngikwazi ukuthi ngikufake eclassini mangabe unesifiso sokufunda mahala, sifunda ngesiZulu, ngikuhlomise ngolwazi ngoba knowledge is power.